Hi YouTube, so I just want to show you don't need to have a huge garden to grow a lot of food. This is a tiny little area on the side of my home, and right here we have Malabar spinach, the purple type. As you can see, it's actually known as red Malabar spinach, extremely nutritious. I'll upload a short about it. It grows very easily. It forms little flowers. Let me show you down there, and those become purple berries that can be easily planted. It also grows very easy from a cutting. If you put it in water, it will root readily. So in between we've planted some Swiss chard, and this is Chamelia kale. This is actually a small leaf. As you can see, they're actually huge. This is a baby leaf. Then we've stuffed in Juanita pepper. A lot of people would know it by the company who has the trade name of Pepper Dew, but it actually should be called Juanita pepper because it's trademarked as Pepper Dew. Then further we have more Juanita peppers, and we have the Alba Malabar spinach. So the little tips taste very much like pea shoots. It's a bit miscellaneous, so a little bit snotty when you chew it, so best just to boil it and use it in stews, curries, or salads, but only a small amount in salads. Here we have Swiss chard again. So this is a nasty area next to the house. Nothing much is going on here. So I've taken the opportunity to hack away all the old leaves and things. We're still in the process of clearing it up. So my tomatoes I've planted, as you can see, they're lovely little blossoms there. I don't want it to be too pushy, so I'm taking out the little side shoots. You can see there's another flower, and it's best to keep the bottom part of the stem clear. Gets powdery mildew very easily if it's too wet. And I've interplanted with peppers. There's a little bit of sage, more kale and celery. As I go around the garden, I just generally take whatever weed there is that's not supposed to be coming up before they seed. These little grass seeds and things, it's the easiest way to do it. Remove one plant and you don't have 7,000 seeds. Then we have something over here which is called a tree tomato, Tamarillo. So it's starting to drop fruit. I'm going to be using them to propagate more plants to be selling. So they're not quite ripe yet, but they'll be fine for propagating. Or if they lie a little bit, they'll get ripe. You know, well, maximizing everything, I've planted some potatoes in here, and they seem to be doing well. As you can see, our Juanita pepper, or little sweet pepper, is growing well, and it's winter at the moment where I am, which is in South Africa. In between I've planted, just thrown a lot of calendula seeds. The idea was actually to uproot them or transplant them various places in the garden, and I never got around to it. And then I've thrown in a few peas. They're actually flowering, but the main purpose is just to fix the nitrogen in the soil. Here we have purple tomatillas, but I don't think they'll amount to much. It's too cold here at the moment, but it was a fair fight.